When it comes to your audio system, the quality of your RCA cables can make all the difference. The Rockville RTR032 3-foot 2-channel twisted pair RCA cable offers a solid upgrade with its 100% oxygen-free copper construction. This cable ensures a clean, distortion-free signal that lets your equipment perform at its best. Cheap RCA cables might save you a few bucks up front, but they often introduce noise and signal loss. Rockville's RTR032 tackles this with triple shielding and magnetic interference rejection, so you get clear, accurate sound and video every time. That means no unwanted buzz or static holding your system back. These cables also feature split-pin technology, which guarantees a secure connection to your amps or video sources. Plus, color-coded channels make setup quick and hassle-free. The twisted pair design reduces interference further, so your audio stays crisp and reliable, even in busy setups. Flexibility matters too. The RTR032 cables are easy to route thanks to their slick, durable sheathing. They're built to last, so you won't need to worry about replacing them anytime soon. Whether you're upgrading your home theater or fine-tuning your music system, these cables deliver consistent performance. Rockville backs these cables with a 1-year warranty and offers them in multiple lengths, from 3 feet up to 25 feet. That means you can pick the perfect size for your setup without compromising quality. The positive reviews highlight how well these cables perform, even in high-end systems, proving you don't need to overspend on interconnects. If you're looking for reliable RCA cables that combine quality materials with smart design, the Rockville RTR032 is worth a look. It's a straightforward way to improve your audio and video connections without breaking the bank. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your setup with confidence.